What do I have here? Some ESCs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6th one that I've already opened. They're little 50 amp ESCs. I got them off of Amazon. They're nothing special. But there are 6 50 amp ESCs here. And I will open them all. And gee, why are there 6? I'm going to rebuild the flame wheel. And as you can see, the flame wheel had a little problem in its last flight. Just a little one. Broken propellers. I think I've got everything I need here to rebuild it. I think. There's part. This is actually a new top plate and a new bottom plate and landing gear I've never actually used. Right here, ready for the rebuild. And then the rest of this is just as it landed in its last flight. Rather hard, as you can see. And there may even be some extra parts in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a minute. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 arms. I only need 6. And I need 6 motors. And these are big motors. And see, some of them, even in the last little crash, had a little problem. This one lost one of its wires. I may be able to fix that. We'll see what I can do with that. Elsewise, guess I'll be buying another motor. See, I just bought 6 ESCs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I've got 6 intact motors here. Yeah, 6. So the 7th motor, cool, spare parts. That's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6. I need 4 white arms and 2 red arms. Oops, that's part of the landing gear. That kind of broke. And as you can see, it's full of mud and all sorts of things. That extension arm right there is broken. Well, it's bent. They got bent so much it wasn't even funny. You can go back and look. There's 70 or 80 flights on this thing. And several crashes. And those will straighten right out. I've straightened out those extension arms. This is a 550 Flame Wheel DJI. It's 9 years old too. The frame itself was never pre-built. And I got from Aerial Media, I think it was actually at one point, was selling hardware. And I got these extension arms and these larger motors so I could run 12-inch props, I think, on the F550. It really performed well. There's a lot of the screws for the frame. That top plate's probably not too useful anymore. And, oh, the other bottom plate's over there, equally broken. There's another red arm. I think I've got everything I need to rebuild it. We'll see. I don't think I need this part and this part. That's part of the old landing gear, I think. Don't need that old top plate. So I did buy these 650 amp ESCs, and I'm going to rebuild the flame wheel. This is a really good flying frame, and I want to rebuild with a new modern flight controller and everything for this build. Crossfire, small receiver, lightweight, everything just up to date and lightweight this time. And we'll see how long it lasts this time before it crashes. And that's cool. You can still find this frame new. Here's on USA Banggood, $23.99 for this frame. You see why I like it so much? Actually, I like it because of the solder pads and stuff on the bottom plate for attaching ESCs and stuff. It's just a good frame all the way around. And there's a Amazon of the frame. $89. Boy, sure is a lot of difference there. But anyway, the frame is still available for purchase brand new.